What's up, guys? So today we are going to be making fried rice. This is not the right way to make fried rice. This is my way to make fried rice. We are on a very tight budget here in our travels, and this is probably one of the cheaper ways you can actually make egg fried rice. We're not going to be using any meat today. We're not going to be using any MSG. Every ingredient we bought is usually about $1 or less, except for one ingredient, which is $2. Let's go. Got an onion, got some eggs, $2 teriyaki sauce, salt, pepper, garlic powder. Probably the most wrong oil to use, but that's what we got, because that's what was cheap. Get yourself a non-stick pan, thing to mix it up with. Back into the fridge for your rice. We don't have Saran wrap, so we're using the bags that the fruit came in. Half of an onion, because we use the other half in something else. Cutting board. Knife. Onion. It's a very dull knife. Done. Eggs. Got it. Let your pan get nice and hot. Crucial point here. You shouldn't be able to touch it with your fingers. Onions are starting to get translucent. Make a little hole in the center. Dump in your eggs. Continuously mix. Garlic powder. A lot of that shit, because we don't have actual garlic. Salt. Black pepper. Start to get a little color on it. Make a hole in the center. We're looking a little dry. Add a splash more oil. 2 splashes. Rice. Handfuls of that. I'm going with about 3. Mix it in. Get your chef on. Make a mess. It's okay. Make sure all the rice is separated. Let your rice get some color. One of the last steps. Add in your teriyaki sauce. Mix it in. You can always add more, you can't take it out, so add it in layers. This actually looks really good. Let's give it a taste. Needs more salt and needs more teriyaki. Add more garlic while we're at it, just because you can never have too much garlic, especially when you're married to a garlic girl. Be careful once you add your sauce. Teriyaki has a lot of sugar in it, and sugar burns. Taste it again now that you've added your ingredient. It's pretty spot on. caramelize those sugars. Now you just got to turn off the heat and plate. That's it, guys. That's how I make fried rice when I'm not at home base and I'm trying to keep it on the cheap. Everything here probably costs around $3 or less to make the whole dish. The kitchen is a wreck. Everything was cheap. It's gonna be delicious. That's a wrap. Side note, the only appropriate utensil to use to eat fried rice is a spoon. Always a spoon.